In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an API key on GitHub. This is an essential skill, especially if you're working on projects that require accessing your repositories programmatically. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, the very first step is to log in to your GitHub account. Just enter your credentials, and you'll be on your way. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that icon. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, look closely at the sidebar on the left side of the Settings page. You'll need to scroll down a little bit, and toward the bottom, you'll find an option called Developer Settings. Click on that, as it will lead us to the next important step. Once you're in the Developer Settings section, you'll see several options. The one we're interested in is called Personal Access Tokens. Go ahead and click on that option as well. This is where GitHub manages API access for your account. At this point, you should see a list of your existing tokens if you've created any before. If this is your first time, or if you don't have any existing tokens, you'll find an option to generate a new one. Generating a new token can usually be accomplished with just a click of a button. When creating a token, GitHub will typically prompt you to give it a name. This is an opportunity to label your token something meaningful. Maybe it's for a specific project or application. Keeping everything organized will save you time and confusion later on. Now, here's a pro tip. Treat these tokens like passwords. It's crucial to keep them secure and never share them publicly. These tokens essentially grant access to your account and its repositories, so you want to make sure they are protected. Once you've created your token, it will be displayed in a list alongside any other tokens you might have. Be sure to copy this key and keep it in a secure place. Once you navigate away from this page, you won't be able to see it again, so it's very important you save it the first time. And that's it. You now know how to find and generate an API key on GitHub. Whether you are using it for automation or any kind of integration, having your API key handy is essential for your development projects. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Remember to keep those tokens secure and happy.